Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well, and today is a special video because I've got something new which has just arrived and I'm on my way to see it now. So I'm not going to tell you what it is, but let's get there and let's have a look. So I've just arrived at the place where it is and it's right in front of me. It looks mad. So without wasting no more time, this is my brand new Dinli 801 300cc quad bike. So what it is it's a sister make of the Quadzilla. This quad bike is an automatic quad bike with the CVT gearbox, and top speed is you're looking at about 55 on it. So yeah, my other quad bike that I did have a lot of inquiries on, the Quadzilla 300 XLC manual, has now been sold. Another influencer bought that bike off me and I've replaced it with this automatic Dinli. So yeah, let's go out and see what it's about. The full black looks mad, I've got to say, just the way it stands as well. But yeah, I can't wait to get out on the roads in this and see what it is. It's a lot smaller than the XLC that I had, but it's an auto, so we should have fun in this. And it's also got an exhaust system on, so that should be interesting. that was my new quad bike. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully now that I've got my GoPro as well, I'll get out a lot more on the bike and do a lot more videos. If that's something you guys want, comment down below and let me know. Thank you for the support. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and I'll see you soon guys. Take care.